jokes. Look at this. I can't even see my house. The barn is there. You can't even see it. I've never been afraid in my life to walk to my barn until today. It's so cold. They said if you get sick, there's no ambulance coming. You're on your own totally. People are dying in their houses of heart attacks. And no one's coming, they said. My barn is out there. I don't want to walk back to it. Unreal. Unreal. My house is this way. I swear, if I didn't know where my foot track was, I wouldn't even see my house to know. You could be snowblind. It's unbelievable. You could be lost. It's unreal. I can only go back as I know, but you can't even see my house. You can't even see my house. I'm not even that far away now. It's unreal. My house, you're starting to see it now. I'm following my footprints. I've never been afraid in my life to walk to my barn. In this weather, it's too far. It's too far. Unreal. Unreal. Never seen anything like it in my life. My windows are full. Fuck. Unbelievable. Unreal. I wonder if I should even kick the snow off my fucking slider. Is it worth it? While I'm out here. I just don't want to strain myself. It's like over my boots on a step. Unbelievable. What a difference between the summer when I hung out here. Unreal. Never seen anything like it in my life. Just trying to get the snow off my slide. Look at that. Unreal. Never seen anything like it in my life. Just kicking it down. Unreal. You can see where you would just die. You would have if you were outside, you wouldn't have a chance. You wouldn't have a chance. In an hour, you'd be in real trouble. And that's what I just came from the barn. In the middle of just absolutely nowhere. Unreal. I threw my garbage cans like that so the wind couldn't blow them. Just crashed them into my house. The door I came out, I was going to check the front of my house. Make sure nothing's blown up. You hear this rattling, you wonder if your side's pulling off. Unreal, I think it looks okay. Don't see any major damage. No, I don't see any major. Hey, I mean, anything could blow off. Anything could blow off. Unreal. Look at that, my neighbor's house, I can't even see it. Unfreaking real. Cars. Mailboxes float open. I don't know. Unreal. Really crazy. I wonder if I should close my mailbox. I don't know. It's worth it. Fuck it. Leave it open. Look at this shit. I mean, unreal. Okay. Man, that is some crazy stuff, boy. You never see that in Long Island. Never see that in Long Island, boy.